In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to find keywords for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, I'm going to share with you a number of resources. Most of these are free, and I'll share one paid one with you. And it's not Ahrefs or anything that's going to cost you lots of money. It's incredibly cheap. Now, keywords are really important when it comes to affiliate marketing because, ultimately it's how we're going to attract people to our content, whether that's YouTube, whether that's, Amazon, Facebook, blogging, websites, etc. So the first tool we're going to be using is this website over here. Now this one here, it's got a ridiculous name, I'll give you that. It's called Keyword Shitter. But inside of here, you can go ahead and get hundreds of ideas for some keywords. And sometimes you can also find keywords that you maybe hadn't thought of, or even longer tail keywords that you'd never thought of also. So this website, granted, silly name, sounds ridiculous. The first time I heard it, I thought I was being, someone was playing a joke on me. But how it works over on this website here is you literally type in, the keyword or the phrase or, something you're looking for. So let's just say we're going to, in this video, we'll just do ClickFunnels as an example. So we'll go with ClickFunnels and we'll put that in there. And then all we do is here, we scroll down and we click on keywords. And then what will happen is, look, it will start running this for you. Now I'm just going to press on stop job because it just keeps running for you. So it's brought up all of these suggestions for ClickFunnels. Now if I scroll further down the page, you can see, look, you see here where it's got these volumes next to it. This is from a paid resource, but you don't have to have that, but I'll show you that in a second. But you see here, you're now starting to get some different keywords or some different ideas for your YouTube video, your blog article, etc. So look, and like this here as an example, ClickFunnel alternative. This could be four easy ClickFunnels alternatives, 5 different etc. etc. So this website over here, you can get some pretty good ideas from this. Now in terms of these numbers here, these search volumes next to this comes from this website over here, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. Now this isn't free, but it's ridiculously cheap. Now if I come on here, Keywords Everywhere, I'll show you how this works, but basically it's an extension. You can get this you can get it for Chrome, and you can also get it for Firefox. Now the pricing, I'll show you this, it's incredibly cheap for what it does. Scroll down here, look, $10, this will give you 100,000 credits, and basically it's 1 credit for every search that you do online. So if I go back over here onto Google, come onto Google, I'm just going to type in here, I'm going to type in ClickFunnels, click on here. So once you've got the extension up here and it's turned on, it will show you, look, underneath here. So every single month we've got 201,000 people searching for ClickFunnels. It's pretty impressive. It will also, on the right hand side down here, it will show you a graph, and it'll give you, more data about, how popular this search term is becoming over time. So you can see it's pretty popular, ClickFunnels. And then if we scroll further down the page here, it gives you related searches, so related keywords. It shows you the volume each month, so this is the number of people searching for this. And then this over here, this is cost per click. So basically this is if you're running paid ads, and then this over here is like the difficulty, and again it will give you the trend. So it's pretty good. The other thing what I like about this tool as well is if you scroll down to the bottom, it will show you long tail keywords for this as well. So you can go ahead and have a look at this. But look, there's a hell of a lot of volume for ClickFunnels. Pretty good. So, and as I've mentioned, it's incredibly cheap. Now this software over here, this Chrome extension, this Keywords Everywhere, this also works on YouTube. So if you're doing searches on YouTube, it will show you all of those. It also works on, from memory, I think it's Amazon as well. I think it's Amazon. Let me just go back to Keywords Everywhere. I'm sure it gives you the Amazon information as well. Historical data, Yeah, so you can see on here, it's Google search, it's over on Bing, eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Majestic, and also it integrates with Keyword Shitter. So it's a pretty good tool, and it's, as you've seen, 100,000 searches for less than for $10. It's pretty good. So that is another website that you can use when you're doing some simple keyword research. Another website that you can use is this one over here, and it's called wordtracker.com, and this is absolutely free as well. So again, in here where it says this is on the home page, let me just get rid of that. Where it says enter seed keyword, you just type in your keyword. So I'm going to type in here, click funnels, and we're going to click on search. And it just takes a second. And look, what I like about this website over here is you can filter this via searches. So on the left hand side here, it's filtering all of the searches via Google, but you can also go and do this for Amazon, YouTube, and eBay. So if you don't have $10 and you can't go ahead and get keywords everywhere, you can use this website over here. Now, if we scroll down here as well, oh, sorry, the other thing is it will also filter this via territory for you. So you can go ahead and, make this specific to your own country if you wanted to. And then if you come down here, it gives you the search volume, it gives you the competition as well on here, and lots more examples on here. And now it does cut off, yeah, you see here where it says unlock more suggestions. This is the paid version. I don't know how much that is because I've never paid for it before in my life. But again, straight off the bat, you can see there's lots of ideas on here for you. And look at these. If you focus on some of these keywords down here, the competition isn't potentially going to be as difficult as what it's going to be for, for something like 48,000 people searching every single month. So you want to be using long tail keywords in your campaigns, and this is for any affiliate product. It's not just ClickFunnels. It could be Legendary Marketer. It could be I don't know, whatever product that you're promoting basically. So this website over here is called wordtracker.com. Absolutely free. The last one I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and this is a pretty good one. It's called Answer the Public. And again, it's free to get started. Well, it's free. On the free version, I think it allows you about 3 or 4 searches a day. But what I like about this is, again, on here, you can just type in, you can see, ClickFunnels, click on search. And then literally, don't do what I did. First time I did this, I was sat here waiting, thinking, what's going on? If you scroll down here, look, it's already done this for you. So there's currently 45 questions over on Answer the Public. Now, if we scroll down here, look, you've got, this is in the center, so we've got ClickFunnels. Then we've got, look, who. So these are questions that people are asking related to ClickFunnels. So, I'd never thought about doing an article for ClickFunnels, with who owns ClickFunnels, but people are looking for this. We've got what. So what does ClickFunnels do? How much, etc. You've got why, when, where, which, are. See, all of these are additional ideas for you when it comes to creating your content and creating these long tail keywords. And if you scroll further down the page, come down here, you've got all of these wonderful graphs that you can look at, but then you've also got this here, and it breaks it down via the alphabet for you, so you can go through. And then look, we've got ClickFunnels book. We've got 320 people a month searching for this. ClickFunnels blog, 390 people. So you can just go through and have a look at this and start getting some ideas, for if you're going to do a YouTube video, if you're thinking about creating a blog article. Even you can go over to Quora and use that website for, to do some keyword research as well, because people are asking these questions. If you were to go over to Quora, I can guarantee you'll find people asking this. ClickFunnels, or in fact, let's do it. Let's click on search Google. I'm going to type in Quora. Q-U. I always spell Quora wrong. Go there, let's have a look. Look, Quora.com, which is best, ClickFunnels or Shopify? So just using this website over here, this Answer the Public, we've found a question which people are actively asking. You could then go over onto Quora and answer this question here and lead that person, people who are reading this here, you can lead them from Quora over to wherever you want to send them basically. Because look, people are answering these questions, and if we scroll down, let's see how many people have actually had a look at this. Come further on the page. Look, 199 people have had a look and read this answer here. Click on this one here. 107. Come down here. 157. So by using some of the different websites and resources that we've looked at today, you can start finding, different questions what people are asking about your affiliate product. You can start creating content, and then you can use websites like Quora to go ahead and get in front of people and hopefully start earning yourself some affiliate commissions. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.